Okay, I've started on stripping the paint. This is a second application for this part. The first application removed the red paint, and apparently underneath it was orange. All of this looks like it's going to strip pretty easily, but this piece, I'm not sure. That orange paint may not come off. Not sure what it is, but anyways, we'll get this stuff cleaned up and then see about painting it. Okay, we are pretty much all set to do this. Let's see what we got here. By the way, this was left to soak overnight. I tried doing it in half an hour, and like the instructions said, and it just didn't seem like enough time. Okay, so that's the first pass with the stripper and the pressure washer. I'm going to try a wire wheel after this before I hit it with any more stripper. And right now I'm going to just let this stuff dry in the sun, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is the first batch of stuff that's getting ready to go into my random draft paint booth. Normally I go outside and paint, but can't do that, so I've got to do some taping up and stuff, but parts of this will get primer, parts of it will not. It'll just get straight Rust-Oleum rust reformer. And we'll come back in a little bit. I look like a Hong Kong protester. Alright, so these are the parts that we're getting just a shot of black on the parts. These are things that won't be seen, so they just got the rust reforming black paint, no primer. Oh, also this came out of the Evapo-Rust, and I painted it this morning. Painted it as quick as I could so it wouldn't rust again. So the next thing is I've got to do some taping on this, and then we'll get some self-etching primer. Okay, so the primer's on the carburetor, and this thing, I'm going to give it another 24 hours. I'm going to soak it with the paint stripper, give it another 24 hours, see if it can get some more off. It's really difficult to clean. And I think that'll probably be it for today, or at least for this part of the video for you, if you're even watching. And see you later. Okay, so the special tool for removing the flywheel arrived, and I couldn't help it. I had to give everything at least a first coat of paint. Anyways, okay, later.